Hi everyone, this is Ben from Ampanova, a professional BESS manufacturer. Behind me are 6 units, 215 kilowatt hours CNI system undergoing final pre-shipment testing. With the camera closer, this high voltage system is configured by connecting 50 unit high voltage battery modules in series connection. Each module rate at 51.2 watts, 218 amp hours to reach a total capacity of 768 watts, 218 amp hours. On the right side of this system, you will see the 100 kilowatt PCS and ENS. In the rear, there is a 3 kilowatt air conditioner units for thermal management. Our technicians are currently conducting operational testing to ensure full race performance before delivery. If you are interested or have a coming high voltage battery system project, feel free to share your requirement with me. We will provide detailed production specifications and competitive price to you.